Bronco. Had a wonderful season last year as a 2-year-old filly. You can see there knocking on the door of 50 grand in earnings, 7 wins out of 14 starts. Heavy favorite as we head into race number 7 on today's card. Mark's starting gate is in position at this time now. As always, with the race call and the starting field, our track announcer, Vance Cameron.
A half a dozen Ruby Chapel fillies in the 7th lineup. Puddle Bay Magic, Windermere Maggie, Lady Antebella, Western Judy, Rambling Lily, Top Brand, top of the stretch. All lined up now, approaching a start. Third off and pacing, Rambling Lily towards the rail, Windermere Maggie, Western Judy third to the turn, Puddle Bay Magic along the inside fourth. Top Brand unhurried, she'll drop in fifth. The early trailer is Lady Antebella. Past the 8th pole they go, and up the rail it's Windermere Maggie the leader. To her outside, Rambling Lily the challenger, and they're going to go a little in the early going. Back into third, Western Judy. Pacing fourth is Puddle Bay Magic. Then in fifth, it's Top Brand. Trailing the field, Lady Antebella is sixth. They arrived at the first quarter in 30 seconds flat. Windermere Maggie and Chevery midway around the paddock turn for the first time. Second is Rambling Lily, watching it all third, Western Judy. Then in fourth, Puddle Bay Magic. Top Brand makes her move to the outside fifth, and the trailer, that is Lady Antebella sixth. They arrive next at the half. Windermere Maggie has Western Judy right alongside, and now Judy takes over. Third is Rambling Lily. Top Brand will lose her cover in the outside fourth. Puddle Bay Magic fifth. Lady Antebella sixth. 1 minute and 2. The halfway home time at the 5/8 pole. Western Judy cleared for Campbell, and they turn up the back stretch. 3/4 in their sights. Second is Windermere Maggie. Top Brand on the outside is Anderson. Danny Romo urging third. Pacing fourth at the rail, that is Rambling Lily. On the outside, Puddle Bay Magic fifth. Lady Antebella continuing to trail. 1:30 and 2 down at 3/4. Round the turn for the final time. Western Judy just an 1/8 of a mile to go. Top Brand finding something late now on the outside second. Third at the rail, Windermere Maggie. Rambling Lily coming up between them fourth. They're in deep stretch now. Who's it gonna be? Western Judy got there. Rambling Lily was coming. Windermere Maggie wasn't far away. A downright good finish. 2 minutes, 1 pair.